Okay, okay, I will another give me another 1 minute. So I'll take up a similar kind of one more problem on the same, and then I'll show it to you. Uh, just give me a second. Oh shit. Second. Okay, so I think we can start doing it. Okay, so let us start some problem on. Let me take some plain problem. So I have shared you a couple of videos through YouTube link. Hope all of you have got that. And also I have also myself done one solve one problem manually. That also I have shared with one of your students, two of us student of your batch. So you can just ask them and get it from them. Also, I have uh, so I have also shared using the Google Drive. You just please go through it. Mm, one of the problem that is pentagonal problem I solved manually. That also you can just go through it for a reference. So now I will just be solving one problem on. Uh, I'll be solving uh, one pentagonal problem. I'll just take and then I'll start doing it. So later I can solve one alpha problem and one beta problem. Just let me give me a second. And also, guys, I have shared with you the software. I have shared with the software to two of your friends. You please ask them and upload, load your software, load the software into your personal gadget and start solving it so that it will help you. So install the software as immediately as possible. It is there with two of your friends. I hope they have sent it to you. So okay. So what I'll just do is problem number 29. I'll do it. Uh, that is problem number 29. I'm doing it in the primer. It's a pentagonal lamina of edges 25 mm is resting on VP with one of its sides such that the surface makes an angle 60° with vertical plane. And if you the edge on which it is resting inclined at 45° to HP. Problem number 29 in the primer book. Okay, so I'll be doing this. So, so in problem number, what is being given is it's a pentagonal lamina. It is resting on vertical plane. Please remember, it is resting on vertical plane. That is 0.35 mm. So before you start doing it, always name it without forget VP and HP. Okay. So what I would what I'm telling is problem number 29. If you want to just check it in the, so better always zoom it and do, so place appropriately so that looks good. Okay, so this is with respect to this. So now it is resting on vertical plane, friends. It is not on horizontal plane. So if it is resting on vertical plane, I have told you you have to start from uh, front view. and it is very clearly written that it is. I'll be reading the problem. You please just listen. A pentagonal lamina of edges 25 mm is resting on vertical plane with one of its sides such that the surface makes an angle of 60 degree with vertical plane, and the edge on which it is rests is inclined 45 degree to HP. So 60 degree to with respect to vertical plane, and 45 degree with respect to horizontal plane. Just and the edge, the surface of the edge is making an inclination. So how do we do the pentagonal? How to draw the pentagonal lamina? Make it visible. It is 25 mm. Angle will be 0. Then it is going to be again 25. Angle will be, friends, 72, right? And again 25. Angle will be 72 plus 72. That is 144. So again angle will be 25. Sorry, length will be 25. Angle will be, now this is minus. It has to come reverse. So it is going to be minus 144 degree. Right, friends? Minus 144. Then again 25. Angle will be minus 72. Now this is our pentagon is ready. Now what we're supposed to do, since this is the corner point, this is the edge, so it is resting on edge. So select whole thing, say move, make it gray because we do not want. Oh, I'm sorry. Just give me a second. So what you are supposed to do, select the whole thing, say rotate, keep this as a center, this as a radius. Again, we do not want copy, we want cut option. So can you just see here? So place it this way. Now again, using the move command, you just place it anywhere which you would like to want. So this is being done. Now while naming, let us name this as A dash. Since it is front view, please remember B dash, sorry, B dash, C dash, D dash, and E dash. So naming is done. So now using this, we are supposed to draw a construction line and get the top view. Top view. So when using the construction line, just draw a construction line till it meets XY line. Okay, friends. So this is going to be your top view, in fact. And when I'm looking from the top, for example, so for example, when I'm looking from the top now, it looks like a line. It looks like a line, and that line is not going to be the line. It's a surface of the. It's a top view. In the top view, it looks like a line. It's the surface of the lamina. That is, please keep remember. So what we'll do, rather than overwriting the line, what I'll just do is I'll go for the split command. It is going to be within the trim command, split command. Before you do anything, ensure that zoom it multiple times and then do, because it is very important. So it is get separated. Similarly, split command, split on the line also from the other point. Just give me a second. So always zoom it and do. So it has got separated. Now what you just do is, always while doing it in the software, at each particular point you just split it, because it always be helpful. I'll get back to you why I'm doing this, because So okay, so it's done now. So this has got separated and this also got separated, because to locate again point B, it will become very easy for the next step. So that's why I have taken. Now what you just do is select this, press Control in the keypad, press Control in the keyboard, select this also and make it visible. So this is going to be your front view. When I'm looking from the top, it is going to be the line, but in fact it is a surface of the lamina. And when I'm looking from this, E is seen to me, D is seen to me, C is seen to me, whereas A and B, which are going to be unseen, and it is supposed to be hidden. So now E dash of A dash, here it is. I'm sorry, it is supposed to be top view, right? So of D of B, and here it is C. So this should not be there. This should not be there, right? So this is going to be your point, right? So now this surface, this surface, which is making an inclination with respect to vertical plane 60 degree, 60 degree with respect to VP, and 45 degree to HP. We know that anything comes below XY, it is going to be vertical plane, right? So now what I will just do is, I will draw a, I will select this, and with the help of control. So, but see here, it is not a single line. I made it separated to locate the point D and B. In the next, it will become easy for us. So along with this naming also you select, okay, you select this. Now what I just do is, I go for the move command, ensure that it is copy, not cut option. So always when copy and cut option, select the end point. Rather than selecting any point, select end point anywhere within this. Place it over the XY line. It's done now. Now what you just do is, what I'll just do is, I will say rotate, press here, press this way. How much it is supposed to be, friends? 60 degree. In fact, minus 60 degree. Okay, 60 degree you take. While doing it, you show it here. So that is also one of the best approach. What you just can do is. So later, all the points which are being identified, you can just move it and place adjacent to your view. So now, as you can see here, so now you just show this with respect to angle is concerned. So angle between this and this is going to be 60 degree. So after that, what we are supposed to do, friends, in the next thing, so we should draw all the construction lines using normal line you take, that is supposed to be 0.25. Start from always with a, so draw for any length. Let us draw all construction line. Ensure that this should be parallel to this always. Okay, similarly draw it from C, draw it from D, and draw it from E. So this is done. So now later what we'll just do is, we will draw vertical construction lines, that is from again from, see here, this is the reason I have split it here. Later on, if you rather than split straight away, if you take one single line and do it, again it's going to be difficult for you to locate this D and B. Then we have to go cut the arc and all that you are supposed to do, or sometimes you're supposed to measure and all that. So in order to avoid, what I have done now, I have, that is the reason I have splitted this, so that now, for example, as you can see here, hope you are getting a point what I am saying. So to locate that, I have done that, nothing other than that. So do it here. So this is done. So now what all we supposed to do is go for trim, remove this. Now within this box itself, my ABCD is going to be located. So let us locate all the names. Where is my A? This is my A. This is my A. It meets here. So let it name it as A dash. Similarly, B, B is going to be here. Always place it outside. C, this is going to be my C dash. This is going to be my D, that is topmost. Similarly, E. Okay, so now what you just do is all five identified, all the 5 points are being identified now, that is A, B, C, D, E. Once it is being identified, once it is being identified, you just connect them with a thick line. So now A and E already we have connected. You should not uh, draw an over line to that. So better go for the split again. Select this line. Tools. Sketch. So what I have done now, first select this, select up to from this point. When this point are represented, it means that it is exactly it is selecting there. Similarly up to here, right? So again go for split, select this, no point. So it's got selected. So A, B, it is inclined, C, D and E, everything is done now. So now connect with a thick line. How do we do that? So first go this, select this line, make it visible. Now take a line. This is your, oh I'm sorry, it is supposed to be here. I'm sorry, I made mistake. Go for split command. This is your point, not the line. So now A is done. Make it visible. So now go for a line. Go for a line. Now just what to just do is connect. So this is your D. This is your E. So that's all. Your apparent V is also got ready. So like compared to initial position, it is foreshortened its distance. Foreshortened its distance. So without forget, show this dimension line for any one of the side. You just show it. So after this, now it is told that when the this surface is making inclination 60 degree with respect to vertical plane, this is how it looks like. So now if the same lamina, if it is making inclination with respect to top view, and if it is the same edge, is the same edge, this is the same edge, if it is resting on 45-degree line, what will be the view? What will be the final view? That is what we are supposed to find. So what we'll just do is draw a 45-degree line, and then you place A and E. That is what we are supposed to do. So now what I'll just do is, first I'll take a line. What I'll just do is, I'll take a line, normal line I will do, take. What I will just do is, take 45-degree length. You can keep it as it, any length you can do it. Say 45-degree respect to HP. Okay, so now show this angle show this angle as 45 degree. So later, now we have to copy this entire thing and we have to place it over 45 degree and ensure that A and E is going to be A and E is going to be so this A and E to be should be placed over. So what I'll just do is I will entire thing I'll just copy it. Okay, what I'll just do is first I'll say move command, ticket B. What I'll just do is I'll locate point E here, and before you place it, ensure that zoom it couple of times and do friends. So this is done. Now what I'll just do is I will select entire thing again. I will say rotate. See, while doing it, better zoom it. See, this is the problem. So better always. So just check here. More or less it is okay. Sorry, something went wrong. I'll just do it once again. Select whole thing. Select whole thing and say new command. So better you zoom it. Okay. So now what I'll just do is I'll say rotate. When selecting this point, better you zoom it and then do, because so now we have to place it in this way, and again we'll be everything while doing it. It's very important that it should lies on the 45-degree line. Even a small mistake if you do, it creates a problem. See here, this should be on 45-degree line. Ensure that it is supposed to be 45-degree line. So now what I'll just do is I'll say so after that, now if you name it as it is, so this is my E dash, this is my A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash. So this is what naming is concerned. So that also being done now. So now what we'll just do is, what we'll do, what you're supposed to do, now we have to draw all the construction lines from the top view. All horizontal construction lines, first you make it. So A and E construction line is on XY line only, D and B you done, C also done. Now what you just do is, starting from A, wherever it meets, just close it here. The A, it is going to be meet, it is resting on XY only, so till here, place it there only. Single, always do it, always do, don't jump from A to E, do it consequently. A, and it is going to be your B, and it is going to be your C, then it is going to be your D. So friends, now All the points, 5 points is being identified now. Now we want to just join them. That's all. So what we'll just do is now one more point here is supposed to be pending. So again, this also XY line. So this is all done. So now what we'll just do is we'll connect with them with a thick line. So let's go for it. So this is becomes your A, this becomes your B, this becomes your C, this becomes your D, and this becomes your E. So connect them with a thick line. Go for a uh, line. It should be visible. Connect them with a thick line. See here, A and E, it is overlapping on the XY line. Don't connect them. Already the one more line is drawn. So using split command, we can use it. Okay, so now what I'll just do is using the split command, select this, select here. So now what you just do is make it visible. Okay, so this is your final view. So what you just do is all unwanted lines, you can just trim it. So this is going to be your final view, friends. So if you make it, then your problem will be right. So now what you just do is the XY line is too much extended that side. Let us remove that. So better you can name here as Y. So this completes your one problem. Okay. So I'll be unmuting all of you. If you have any doubt, let me ask. Okay. So again, what we'll just do is we have started around 11. It is 11:33. Up to time limitation, it will close. Again, I will start again by 11:50. So because my class is up to it is 1 second. Just give me a second. It is up to 12:50. So what we'll just do is we'll take a small break and then again we'll start from 12. So before we close this session, you just I'll be unmuting all of you. Let me know if you have any doubt. Yes, guys, any doubt you have? Number one.